Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is CID News Network Islamabad. The news read by Zainab. First headlines. Government appoints Naeem Bukhari as Director of PTV. PTV chairperson shall hold office for a period of 3 years. Elon Musk overtakes Bill Gates to be the world's second richest person. The only other person richer than him at this moment is Amazon's Jeff Bezos. Punjab schools show high surge in COVID cases. Prime Minister Imran Khan on Monday directed the Ministry of Inter-Provincial Coordination to come up with recommendations for making the country's basic sports structure for effective in consultation with stakeholders. China launched mission to bring back material from moon. It would offer the first opportunity for scientists to study newly obtained lunar materials since mission in the 1960s and the 1970s. Pakistan reports nearly 3,000 daily cases, highest since start of July. Pakistan records 875 recoveries from COVID-19. Tokyo governor says best case for Olympics is with venues full of spectators. Sindh government reduces shops timing size of wedding ceremonies to stop virus spread. For more headlines, keep watching our channel CID News Network Islamabad.